It's a 2019 Cadillac XTS. To lead, you have to do everything well. Welcome to the front of the pack. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, aluminum wheels, V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth streaming audio, heated steering wheel, front wheel drive, automated parking sensors, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. The Car Connection comments, "From the inside out is probably the way that Cadillac would want you to see the XTS, with a swoopier look, softer details, and plenty of smooth contouring inside, contrasting with beveled, tightly fitted metallic trim pieces." Cadillac embodies a passion for performance, craftsmanship, and innovation. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value.